Here's how to fix cellular update failed on your iPhone. Now, you might see an error that looks like this. It says cellular update failed. Your iPhone cannot make or receive calls or access cell data until this has been updated. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get around this? How do I update it? The first thing I would recommend doing is heading into your settings here. And right under Bluetooth, let's tap on cellular. Now, once you're in here, you can see if I scroll down, it says turn on this line. I have AT&T and I have my eSIM on here. Now, if you have a physical SIM card, you're essentially going to remove the physical SIM card, wait for about 10 minutes or so, and then put it back in. However, if you have an eSIM, all you need to do is turn this line on, and then it will essentially deactivate your eSIM. But then all you need to do is go back in here and turn it back on. So by going through this process, you will reinitiate and reactivate your eSIM from your iPhone. You can see now this line is back on, and essentially I should have signal and it should update that specific carrier or firmware. You can see basically if I see this again, then essentially that didn't work, but it should go through the process of just in the background automatically updating that. Now, the next step is we'll head into your web browser here, and we're going to type in speed test. The reason for this is you're going to check your internet connection. Essentially, it needs to download and install that firmware update onto your iPhone, and you need a fast enough Wi-Fi signal. Or if you're on cellular data, switch over to Wi-Fi to make sure that you have fast enough internet to be able to download and install it. Pretty simple. The next thing we'll do is head into your settings here, and we'll go back. We'll tap on General, and then at the very bottom, just hit the shutdown button. A lot of times, just shutting down your iPhone and restarting it fixes a lot of bugs and glitches on your iPhone and reboots the entire iOS operating system. So just shut it down. It might have been days or weeks that it hasn't been or shut down or had a proper restart. So do that. And then at the very top of here, at the next step, we'll tap on software update. So just update your iPhone to the latest version here. Again, this could be a bug or glitch in an older iOS operating system. So just update your iPhone to the latest version, and that should fix any of the issues that you have on your phone. If you still run into issues, the last thing I would recommend doing is just going back out of here, tap on cellular, and then at the very bottom, you might want to hit delete eSIM. Just delete out your current eSIM and re-add it through your carrier. Essentially, this will go through the process of reconnecting your carrier, AT&T, Verizon, whatever, with your iPhone and reinitiate everything, including any of those updates. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.